Alright, Colonel Klink Magnet Hunters. We are on a Friday afternoon on a short little outing here. We have the Cone of Shame, and we have the 1,000-pounder Brute Magnets. These are all from Brute Magnetics. Awesome stuff. Rare earth neodymium magnets. We're going to get busy off this fishing pier and see what we find. Stay tuned, because we're about to get our clink on. Alright, we got something on the end of the line. Let's see what we clanked. We got some clinkage. Looks like some kind of U-bolt or something. Let's see what the heck we got here. Get off the freaking salad. Yeah, looks like some type of U-bolt or whatever. Just trash. See you next time.
So Hollywood's got
It's
some.
a lighter.
What's clinkage, Drew?
What you clinking? You should thinking. It's a light. That's a fancy one. That's a fancy lighter.
Oh yeah, it's one of those ones.
It's like one of those pipe lighters or something.
Spaceman.
What?
We got some clinkage here. Check it out. What in the world do we got here? It looks like a wallet.
It's a wallet.
It's somebody's wallet.
It's an old wallet.
Look at this. Holy holy. Let's see what we got.
Let's picture.
Take the money.
Shut up.
It's a
Nope, it's a phone.
It's a phone.
Somebody's Motorola phone and case. Bam. Look at that.
That was a wallet. I was like, money ka-ching. Oh, that's an old.
Oh, that sucker's been in there a while. See what the now look, folks. You see what the battery does in the lake? If they've been in there a while, look at all this white stuff. That's battery acid leaching into the lake. Hey, I think it still works. Hello. But there we go. Somebody's phone. All right, stay tuned. See what we find next time. Big here. We got this big clinking. Check it out. Look at the size of this C clamp.
That's a big clamp.
Ooh-wee, look at that thing. Oh, God, that thing's stuck on there. Look at that. Bam. That sucker's rusted shut. A little bit of penetrating oil, though. That'll get that thing up and running again. Looky, looky. Big, huge, ginormous C clamp. Why that's in there? No idea. Stay tuned. Get your clank on. Colonel Clinking. We got something on here. Check it out. What do we got? Looks like a knife.
Oh, that's a nice one.
No, that ain't a nice one.
Hey.
It's like a steak knife.
It's a knife, man.
Somebody brought their Chef's Collection stainless steel.
There we go.
Look at that stainless steel.
Bring it back to Mom.
It just stays nice in the water no matter what. Look at it, it's serrated too. Alright, stay tuned. See what we find next. Get your clink on. Looks like another knife. Let's see what we got. Looky there.
Yeah,
Part of a knife.
Part of a knife. The other one's down there.
That's a nice looking blade. I wish it wouldn't have broke. Whatever it is, it must have been underneath something. Look at there. Knife blade. No, not so good. It says stainless, made in China. Oh well. Up what looks to be like a homemade grappling hook. It's got 3 prongs on it and a screw eyelet on the end there. Looks like somebody was trying to fish for other things, but in amongst all of it, kazing! A freaking jigging spoon. Look at that bad boy, just needs a new hook on it. Look at that, it's even got a little spinner on it. What's it say? Can't quite see it. Lure Jensen. It's a Lure Jensen spoon. Ooh, in the store, brand new. That's probably about $6. Alright. Stay tuned to see what we find next. Get your clink on. I have something, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the Spear of Neptune or what, but look at this thing. Look at that thing. What the heck is it?
Dude, it's like one of those.
Oh my gosh. That is the spike from heck.
It's a prison shank.
What is that thing?
Dude, it's got like a point on it.
God, that's so cool. I can't get it off there.
It's just like a ninja weapon, dude.
Look at that thing.
I like it. I want it.
What in the world is that?
Hey, is that another skeleton key?
I doubt
Oh, that's not a skeleton key. This looks like
It's a
freaking
freak. Dude, that could be some like antique stuff.
Punjabi freaking stuff there. What is that?
Punjabi.
Oh my gosh. If anybody out there knows what this is, please let us know. because that is bizarre. It looks like a knife of some sort.
Prison shank.
Chase says it's a prison shank.
Come out here. They stabbed some dude.
Near here.
They threw it in the
Look
water.
at this thing. It's got a big old eyelet on it.
Dude, that's
Huge
freaking
thing, and it looks like it's fairly old.
Looks like it might be ninja.
I don't know, dude, but that is trippy.
Dude, that was cool.
I have never caught anything like that.
Hey, I gotta
We have the spear of the tip.
Spear of the tip.
Woo, look at that thing.
You can make a spear.
Tip of the spear, I should say.
You can make a spear tip out of that.
It's a freaking
Weld it.
Moby Dick spear or something. I don't know.
It's Moby's dick.
We're reaching for straws here, but it sure is cool looking. Look at that bad boy.
All right, stay tuned. See what we get next. Get your clink on, Drew. Get your clink on.
Need one more toss with the cone magnet, dragging it back in the same area. And geez Louise, we got another one. It's smaller. It's got the same kind of little arrowhead looking thing on here. Now I'm baffled, because I have no idea what in the world these Punjabi spears are frickin' from, or whatever they are.
Punjabi.
I don't know what they are, but
It's a spear.
geez, I don't know. We're gonna have to get these cleaned off and figure out what they are. This one had like a chain on it, so I don't know what it is. It had some chain links in here.
It's a prison shank.
I don't know.
Dude, it's
All right.
like one of those things where like they have the chain on it, then at the end of the chain there's like the spike, and
Don't
they
know.
whip
But
it
we're
around.
gonna have to find out and see exactly what it is.
Stay tuned and see what we get next. It's getting good.
Link on, and I felt the line. And look here. Whoosh. A rattling wrap. It's about an $8-9 lure. Fishing tackle, baby. Now we got some line on the end of this. Let's see. Nope, just line. Okay, well, there we go. Look at that bad boy. Look at that thing. Hooks are still good on it and everything. Sweet daddy.
Stay tuned. Get your clink on, Drew.
Get your clink on.
Lottery ticket because I'm just ringing it in. Check it out what we got on the end of the line.
Let's take a look together.
It's a knife, and it is a Kershaw, which is a spendy knife.
Dude, those are like
Kazing! Look at that. Oh, that is the sweet find of the day. I'm getting Poseidon's spear, or King Neptune's spear, or whatever that thing was. And now this. We got us a Kershaw. Ooh, this is a nice knife. Look at that bad boy. Now, hopefully the water didn't do anything to that spring steel. And we'll be able to... It's a Ken Onion design. Look at that. Ken Onion 1660 CKT ST. Kershaw. Speed safe, it says. So it's probably got assisted opening on it.
Awesome. Get your clink on, people.